Hello everyone, this is Dr. KVN Prasad. Welcome to another video on astrology. So today we are going to look about the basic fundamentals of astrology, right? So I'm starting a new video series of saying like picking astrology simplified. Okay, astrology simplified so that people can understand there are a lot of misconceptions and misunderstanding about astrology, astronomy, what it is, are they same, are they different, how much are they same, all that, whether the astrology is a science. So many questions and so many doubts, so many misunderstandings are there, right? So in that context, I thought I'll start making the video series, making as it is I'm calling it as Astrology Simplified. And then today we are going to talk about the very first session. It is called Astrology Simplified, like I said, and fundamentals of astrology. Okay, so in this fundamentals of astrology, like I said, what we have learned in our school and how it is different or how it is same in the astronomy, in the science world, comparing to all these both things. Okay, so first we let us see the zodiac. This is called as zodiac. So basically what the zodiac is, like it is a 360 degrees, and you can see in the background on my image also that 360 degrees is there, right? So that 360 degrees is divided into 12 signs, 12 signs. In otherwise it is called as zodiac signs, or in Vedic astrology we call it as rasis, 12 rasis, starting from Aries to Pisces. Aries and all the Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Simha, all that until coming to Pisces, right? So that is Meena Rasi, Mesham to Meenam, right? This 12 signs. So this is zodiac, right? And then in this zodiac, our solar system exists, and then these planets exist, and these planets are revolving around sun. What it is called? It is called heliocentric model. So that is all the planets revolving around sun, and sun doesn't move, sun stays in the center place, and earth and the moon is the only one, it rotates around earth. Okay, and then basically it follows the earth's path. Wherever earth goes, it just it makes sure that it maintains that distance, and then it just rotates along with that. Okay, so this is the basic things. This is what we have studied in our school, in the science part, right? So now let us see what is in astrology. Right here, the next view is called geocentric view, geocentric solar system. In geocentric solar system, what it is we look the planets from Earth's point of view. Okay, in geocentric method, in model, Earth doesn't move, and all the remaining planets move, including the sun, right, in this direction. So where these arrow marks are, and again, so see here, all the signs are divided like this, right? So whenever, like when you look a particular planet from Earth's point of view, say for example, if you look here and then you draw lines, basically there are 12 signs, 360 degrees. That is 360 divided by 12 is 30 degrees. Each sign is divided as 12, and these are all fixed. These signs are fixed, it won't move, only planets will move, right? When planet comes here and then you are looking it from Earth's point of view, see here, if you just put a line here and then here, then you see it is this Mercury is in Vrishabha sign. Okay, that is Vrishabham, Taurus. Same thing, if you look from Earth, moon here, you put a lines here, then it goes into Pisces, Meena Rasi. So moon is in Meena Rasi. If whoever is born when the moon, no particular sign is there, wherever the moon is in, that is what we call it as in Vedic astrology, their Janma sign, all right, Janma Rashi, that is what it is, right? And then if you look from here, from Earth, sun, it is kind of is in Cancer, right? So this is Cancer. So that means people whoever they're born in, so this sign, the sun is in Cancer, right? So this is the zodiac sign. The Western astrology follows the zodiac signs, that is based on sun. If when the sun is in this particular sign, that is what the zodiac sign means, right? So this is Cancer. So so this is, so you look at the solar system from Earth's point of view. Why Earth? Because we are living in Earth. We human, we are living in Earth, and we want to observe the planet's influence of on human, right? So that is what we want to go. Our goal is to study how these planets are affecting human life in Earth. Suppose if we are living in the sun, then we will switch to heliocentric model. That is, we want to see how other planets are affecting sun, but nobody can live in sun, right? It is, we can't even reach to that sun. Okay, then some people might think and ask why you have to look this way from Earth, because that is contrary or contradicting to the physical actual path. Just one simple question or example I would like to give is, we all know sun rises in east, sets in west. Does sun really rise in east and set in west? No, sun is there only. Sun is not moving. Only Earth is moving. Then why are we calling sun rises in east and sets in west? Because we are looking sun from Earth's point of view. The same science told us sun rises in east, sets in west, right? But again, why it is, then why they're telling or preaching something to contradicting to the actual existent physical science, right? Because it makes sense for human being. We want to measure how many hours or how many time, how much of time sunlight is giving, is coming to us. For that you need sunrise and sunset. That is why you have all the seasons, and then you have the longest day, shortest day. The whole our world, our human life is based on sunlight. We do everything when the sun is around, when sunlight is around. For that it is very important. The same thing, right? Sun rises. Why sun rises? From Earth we are looking at the sun. That is the first time we are seeing in a day. That is what sunrise is. And then after once it passes over, basically sun doesn't pass. Earth completes its orbital rotation to one half. Then we say sunset, and then the night comes in. The other side of the Earth, uh, they get the sun, right? If you take India and US, almost, it's not exactly 12 hours, but approximately, right? So once the sun sets there, the other place sun rises, right? So that is how we have to look at it, and then it is being looked at, and it is being understood, and then the planets are horoscopes are casted. Okay, so now let me show you some videos. So basically, the first video I will show you the solar system rotating in as a sun as a center point, right, which is the actual one. And then the second video is geocentric model from Earth's point of view, how the planets are rotating. Okay, I will switch to YouTube now. See, all the planets are rotating, including the Earth. And then you see these planets are moving faster. That is because they are closer to Sun, okay, Mercury and Venus. And so this long blue one, it should be, yeah, this is Saturn, right? So this is Saturn. See here, these two planets are in one line. That means when you, okay, assuming when we see in the next view, Oh, so these are one line, and then we think that these two planets are conjunct or sitting together in one sign. So what it means is they have, I mean, the distance, each planet has a different distance from sun, right? We all know that. That's why their orbit cycle is different depending upon the distance, how far it is, and then how big is the planet, and then how much time it takes to rotate, right? So now, oh, okay, see here, this is Earth, and then now we can't completely visualize how all other planets are looking, right? This is the other view, geocentric view. See here, the sun is, you can see the sun is moving around the Earth. All right, that is what we mean. Okay, so now let me show you another video where it is little bit uh, easy. See here, this is Earth, and then all the sun is moving here, and Mercury, Venus. Let me slow down, then we can see a little bit. See, so now you can see Earth is here, Earth is not moving, and then whereas sun is moving, and then Mercury, Venus, they are all rotating uh, around sun, and then we think the Earth is sitting straight. Okay. So we saw right now, like how the whole solar system is working, which is the actual physical one, and then how in the astrological view we are looking at it, that is basically geocentric model, geocentric view. Oh, right, how those planets are revolving, and how we are looking at each planet from Earth's point of view. All right, and then based on that the horoscope is casted. So we will talk about other two planets, Rahu and Ketu, and then ascendant. There are a lot of other concepts are there. Slowly we will discuss one by one in every video to understand. And then please post your comments if you have any further questions or any doubts. Hope you enjoyed this video, and you need astrology or palmistic consultations. Please contact me at my website www.astrologyforyou.us, or my phone number 408 509 58, sorry, 408 909 5867. Thank you. We'll talk to you another day.